The new gable boxes. These are one of our silver gable boxes, and you get a dozen of these in the package. And so I'm going to put this gable box together, and to do that, see the one with the tabs on it? That one goes in first. Then you put the outside edges in, and then this long one, and they kind of capture everything. Okay, and so here's my little box. It's looking good, right? But it needs love. So let me tell you, if you guys have followed me for a while, you know little Debbie and I were best friends. She is my soulmate. She is my spirit animal. I love little Debbie. This is a little Debbie strawberry shortcake roll. When you go to shop for Little Debbie snack cakes or Twinkies or any of those, you just want the ones that are individually wrapped. Okay, that's going to be key. But look at this. Does it fit? Will it fit? Oh, yes, it will. Look at that. It's like Little Debbie was meant to live in this box. Do you think Stampin' Up! Knew? All right, so we have a birthday cake, right? Well, how about we add some birthday candles? All right, so I've got some of the Berry Burst ribbon, and it's 4 inches of ribbon is what I needed to tie this together. So I'm just going to tie these candles together because, you know, you can't have a cake without candles. So now let's take our candles. We're going to put that inside our little box. Well, you got to have a balloon. You know, that's kind of a must, don't you think? You can't have a party without a balloon. And ready? Oh, that's pathetic. Okay, so we've got our little party pop. Well, this isn't a party popper. This is just this is a noisemaker. And I kind of think if you're going to have a party, you kind of need confetti, don't you think? Okay, so I have taken a piece of the designer series paper, and this is from that same paper stack, the Picture Perfect Birthday. Guys, I have this cut at 1 inch by 3 3/4 inches. This is ugly. I'm sorry, but I won't have that. I went ahead and just put some tear and tape on this. All right, so we're gonna. All right, we'll pull the string on this one at the end. I think you got like 10 of these in a package, so that was kind of nice. And all of these were like $1, so not expensive at all. But don't you think that looks so much cuter than that ugly label? And we can add that to our party box. Let me see if I can get this in here now, because you got to fill the box first before we decorate it. So we're going to close up the box. Super cute. I'm now going to come in with 22 inches of the Berry Burst ribbon, and I'm going to run that through the top, and I'm going to tie it here in a bow. All right, now let's add glimmer. Is anyone else out there a fan of glimmer? I love glimmer. I'm going to go ahead, I went ahead and put tear and tape. You could use fast fuse on this as well, but this is going to see what a difference that makes. So there we go, looking good. Now let's make a little tag for it. I have got a piece of Whisper White cardstock that is 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Let's come in with Berry Burst. I think that'll look awesome with this. And we have happiest of birthdays to you. So I'm going to ink that up in Berry Burst. We're going to stamp that on our Whisper White cardstock. Beautiful. And for this one, I chose to come in with the stitched oval framelits, or just the stitched framelits, but the oval from it. You could use your layering ovals as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run that through the Big Shot, and through the magic of television, it's going to look like this. Wow. I know. So there we go. We've got that all done. I have added 6 Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of this. One thing I've learned about glimmer paper is it has relationship problems. I'm telling you, it doesn't get along with anybody. But it does seem to get along okay with dimensionals as long as you go heavy enough. We're going to take our tag, and we're just going to add that right there to the front of the box. And guys, what a great gift for a coworker on their birthday. And who's not going to get excited about They get a birthday cake, they get to blow out candles, they get a balloon, and they get confetti, and they get to blow a horn and say happy birthday to me. I mean, I think this is great. I'm so scared.
Why?
Is it loud? Okay, go.